Yo, kids, we be on Roblox for no reason, and half the textures aren't even loaded. Yay! Yo, I might like stop the recording if it doesn't work. I'm here with friend. Wait, are we gonna go play Counterblocks?
Yeah, let's go do
it. Okay, yeah, sure, because this game's not loading. Whoa. I don't know if it's recording. Hold on, let me test something. Hey, Chris, say something.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, it's picking up. I'm just checking if it picks up the mic.
Oh
okay,
God,
we be playing Counterblocks. So yeah. And like half the textures aren't even loaded. What the flip? What is up with games and not even being loaded? Okay, there you go. What? I'm spectating. I want to play the flipping game. Okay, so I'm just gonna pause the recording until I can actually play. Yo, we actually in the game, except that I don't even know what weapon I have or anything. So we're just gonna get into this. We're just running into this blind, basically. I'm assuming I have some sort of pistol. This is stupid. I got murdered.
What?
I don't even know. Yo, this is like the best day in the history of Roblox to play Roblox. Like, literally. Like, everything is totally loaded right now.
There's only one terrorist alive. He's capping off. The terrorist guy was capping off, though. I'm not even kidding.
Yo, what the frick? Okay, yeah, now it's actually loading like gun I have.
They're actually being toxic and shit.
Actually, never mind. It's just holding my arms up. So I guess that's an improvement. Wait, in this game, if you die, you don't respawn, right?
Well, if it's
Gotties. How do you reload? Oh my god. Oh, I just ran out of ammo, that's why. Ah!
Oh, wait, no. Okay, I don't believe that one. I think L-Tip is cheating. I'm not gonna lie. He just instantly popped out and headshotted me, killed me with one hit. But I mean.
Okay, so maybe in about like a few minutes the game actually loads. Because this is so disgusting. Like literally everybody's gray. Again, this is the biggest bra of the century. Why are we playing Roblox? Why don't we just stay on the same? How do I open the menu? What number? What letter? What do I press?
It's B.
It's B?
You freaking scrub, chill.
Oh my god, okay, calm down. Where's the AK-47?
What the hell is happening in my game?
Sure, I'll just take this one. Okay, let's go. I just took a random gun. I don't even know what it was. Fight me, M8!
I dropped my gun.
Oh, have you ever... Like, I was doing...
Bruh, I just got a one hit. This guy just one hit killed me. I'm so bad at this game, I swear. God. I blame the graphics. Let's watch C8 Madness. Are you Terry? Oh.
Wait, what?
How'd you die? Nobody shot you. Literally no one shot you.
He said he did, but I don't think he did. Some guy just said CB is stupid.
I don't even know what gun this is. I'm just gonna go with it. Yo, it's loading your body now.
Are you kidding me?
Yo, I got murdered too. I got murdered by the same person.
Yeah, he's only doing headshots.
Yeah, but we're not gonna change just because of a hacker, because the textures are just now loading.
Not really.
No, like now I can actually see the people's legs and they're actually moving. But there's still no textures. Okay, is it in rifles? Yeah, there you go. There's my
It's all because of
AK-47.
Greg. I got a sniper and it was a really bad idea because I can't see where the reticle is.
How did I get murdered? Bruh. Okay, they're here. Okay, you know what? That makes sense. Yo, this person's face is literally... They keep winning within like 10 seconds. How?
I shot that. I killed him, bro. There's no way I did. It's so
This is
garbage.
stupid.
This game is garbage. Okay.
This game is terrible. I should have played Arsenal, I told you.
Are you kidding me?
I think I killed someone.
Bullets.
At least helped out. Yo, we won finally.
Because they all have wall hacks, that's why.
Why just go play Arsenal instead? Yo, I got a bomb now.
Anything that's not this.
Why do I have a bomb? Oh wait, yes, I usually have a bomb.
I'm gonna get hops just so I can't use it. Just for that. Just because I can't use it. It's just a flex.
Yo, I don't even see the letters. You know the letters that take you see the bomb? I don't even see those. Murdered.
I hate this game.
I hate it too. Why do we play this game?
Oh, I killed you.
Bro, we should just... You wanna go into a different game?
Yeah.
What would we even...
Okay. New game time. Okay, now we're in Arsenal. Because... I had to go in red.
Wait, the gun...
So,
at least
fight
the
me.
gun lit
Not for me.
my gun, like, halfway.
Yeah, mine halfway
it's like
loaded.
it's a few blocks.
I mean, that's what that's all you need for a game.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm actually good at this game. Okay. It's the R. It's R. The reload button is R.
Well, then why does it take so long?
Because the models of the guns are, like, really complicated, probably. I mean, at least you could see what you're doing, kinda.
Okay. Show you killed me.
Oh, I'm just shooting people. I don't even know who they are, because I can't see.
Yeah, I just see a red hat. I just...
Oh, it did it. Cool.
Hey, did you know if you melee somebody, they lose a level? Oh, dang it, Chris, you killed
Wait,
me.
I can see bullet holes. I can see...
If you do shoot someone, they die.
Yo, really?
Oh, it's a game. That's why. That's
Oh
No!
no. They had a sniper.
You killed me!
At least I can see it. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is... Sorry, Ricky.
Yeah, I think they designed this game to be better at, like, loading faster.
I mean, at least like we know what we're doing in this one.
Yo, I just did a minus 600 on somebody. So in the corner of this video, it says that it's 15-minute, like, length. And now I'm wondering, Chris! And now I'm wondering what happens if I go up to that point. You have to get 32 to win, I'm pretty sure, so you might only have to...
It's dominating. Yes.
I hate kids.
Oh my god, chill. I can't get anything done if you chill.
Yo, I hate this gun. It's the crossbow. The crossbow's terrible.
I don't even know what any of this is.
Oh, because it says in the bottom right.
I know, but like I just don't know what it's supposed to do.
Chris, it killed me again.
Did I?
Apparently. Firework launcher. Yo. Did you know with like firework launcher and RPGs, you could jump and shoot the ground and you go into the sky?
I just went minus 600 on somebody.
Okay, it's because it's the musket, I'm pretty sure. The musket does a lot of damage.
Muskets just didn't
Yo, I got a gun to fully load up. Kinda. Yeah, I got a gun to fully load up. And then I got sniped by a guy on the roof. Okay, that's not smart. Why am I sniping with a pistol?
switch.
Yeah, in a little bit. By the end of the round, everything it should be loaded. So.
So you've been saying that for a while.
Because it's true like half the time. Ah! Murdered!
I got a ball.
Chris, stop killing me. Oh my god, I swear. I'm gonna shoot you. Someone got the golden knife already. That means at the end of the... That means they get... If they kill somebody, they win. Chris! I hate you.
Dude, I was murdering everybody. Just for a second.
Oh, derp. Look at his face. His face.
Look at the top of his head. Oh no, he's defocusing.
Okay, we have like literally time, recording wise, for one more round. So, yeah. Yo, vote for your favorite one. I don't even know which one I voted. I just clicked.
Standard 2 teams.
I don't even know what skin I am. I think it,
Wait, isn't Dust 2?
Yeah, from CSGO.
Yes.
yeah, they have a few maps that are same as Counter Blocks because they made that game. Same game, same developer. Yo, half of the sewer didn't even load.
Dude, I'm not even kidding.
Half of the sewer is literally just ground.
Oh wait, this one actually kind of loaded in. Sort of. Ish.
Yo, we got music now. We're getting music. Yeah.
I don't hear it.
No, I got music. Whenever you kill someone, shoot someone in the head or whatever, it plays like a guitar riff. Okay, sewer's loading kinda. Never mind. I just got killed by a guy called Yeet Boy Cool. Hey, die.
Everyone in this video knows we are only playing Roblox at desperation because Minecraft does not work on PC right now.
I mean, Roblox barely works. Look at this. Roblox is having the worst time loading today.
I mean, like our PCs can actually run Roblox.
Usually. On a normal day, it should be. This is just what happens when freaking Area 51 happens, I guess.
Oh my god.
Oh, I just killed myself on accident. Now I have to go through these stupid guns again. See, this is the thing. You don't even know what gun you have, so you don't even know if it explodes. Oh, okay, that makes sense. It's a collision rifle. That's why you died.
I just like murdered.
Where are these kids? Where's the red hat dudes? No, I killed myself again. Oh my god. I swear.
Oh wait, so we loaded it.
Yeah, I'm actually saying.
Oh my god, I'm actually getting a lot of people now.
Why is yours loading up more? Chris!
Oh wait, we're on different teams.
If I unplug my charger, will it start working? Oh my god, frames. Frame drop. Frame drop! I think it's actually loading. It's not respawning now. It's working better.
I had 5 kills, bro.
I had 7.
I mean, like, I had 5 kills in one thing. I have 9 total right now.
Okay, so we have literally 30 seconds left of recording time, so thank you for watching. This video sucks. Frick you. And end off the video of me dying. Okay, bye.